Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is another way to downgrade your iPhone 2G to iOS 1.0, and this just needs one simple tool. We've used it before, so you're gonna plug in the iPhone. I don't know why it's just so dark, and we'll come back when this charges up, or I can put the back on this one and see if this one turns on. Actually, let's see if it turns on right now. Let's see if it turns on. If this turns on immediately, we'll do that. No, they're all dead. Okay. Well, I'll be back. Alright, so we're just going straight to Windows iTunes 7.5. Here is a updated iPhone. As you can see, it's on iPhone 3. iOS 3.1.3. So, also this has a bad home button. So what we're going to do is we are going to put it in DFU mode straight away. I'm not sure if this one will be able to go to iOS 1, but we'll see. Autofocus, please work. Of course, it won't work. Alright, checking to see if it is actually going in DFU mode. It is not. And now with it right here, just do Shift, or if you're on macOS Tiger, you're gonna press the Option key, click Restore, iPhone OS 1.0, enter. Let's make sure it goes through. Preparing. Alright, after it is done, if you get Error 1604, I've left a how to fix in the description. Oh my god, I have to wait for this thing to pop up, and then, okay. Go to ZiPhone. See now, normally if it gives you an error after you restore, so just go straight to ZiPhone, because, and then put it in, I believe it is, going off of memory, it is recovery mode. Or if you just click, it will have to be in recovery mode, which will be, you click Downgrade bootloader, so there's no need for red snow, as you can see. And it's going to flash the bootloader that works with iOS 1.0. After that, what we want to do is we'll click this, unlock SimLock, and activate. If we click unlock SimLock, we can use any SIM, which is kind of not really useful in the United States since no one uses 2G. Which this is why I'll be using my broken iPhone 2G that has a dead SIM reader for iOS 1.0. I'm using my other one. Let's see if it's working. Okay, and this is basically what I was talking about. This is the iPhone that has no working SIM. So, you gotta just saw the little blooper to show you what happens. You don't even have to actually, I don't even think you have to. You can just do perform actions. Downgrade. Once you do that, don't unplug the phone. that's what happens. Once you downgrade it, it will turn on like this. Say activate. Just go like this. I don't know if there is a jailbreak. You know what? We'll click all. We'll see what happens. Alright, and it's going to put the phone in recovery mode. So, pan to the iPhone. Uh-oh. And boom, ZiPhone. That boots into its own ZiPhone OS to... Oh. I think it is something. I think it jailbroke it, and we're activating it. Let me check. I have no clue what it's doing. Maybe we shouldn't jailbreak it. Oh no, it's done. Okay. And then we are on iOS 1.0 without the use of any external computer. We all simplified it to one computer. And that is it. Just show you. This is on 1.0. You can see. And tell me in the comments down below if you can notice something that was not released on iOS 1.0 but is released on any other phone in any other version. Just let me know in the comments. And if you win, you might win something.